And by soon, they mean November the 8th, guys. It's your boy RNG Crypto here with you for another video, guys. And this is a very exciting video, hot off the press. They have announced the launch date and some tokenomics of PulsePad coming up on November 8th, guys. We're going to dive into this, but before we do so, let me make sure that I am letting you know I am not a financial advisor, guys. Anything I say or do is not going to be taken as financial advice. Please make sure you are always doing your own due diligence and research before investing any money. With that being said, let's dive right into it. And guys, PulsePad is going to be launching on BSCPad, on TronPad, on KCCPad, on ETHPad, on ADAPad, as well as VelasPad, guys. It is launching on all the BLueZilla launchpads, guys. The initial market cap of this thing is going to be $170,000, guys. $170,000. That is setting ourselves up for greatness, setting ourselves up for those 100, 200, 300x returns on the day it launches, guys. And if you recall, just a quick recap on what the Pulse chain is, guys. It provides us with a fully deflationary blockchain, absolutely zero inflation, 4x faster than the current network, guys. It has proof of stake with validators, absolutely no miners. It has cheaper network fees, it has faster transactions, and it's just overall a better fee burning Ethereum fork, guys. I cannot wait for this thing to take off. So let's make sure that we are lining ourselves up here for some absolute massive gains. So guys, I am actually going to link two videos that are on my video playlist, guys. The one is going to be how to find the best launchpad for PulsePad, as well as how to actually invest into some of the BLueZilla launchpads in order to get into PulsePad. Both of these videos are very instructive. They will show you exactly what you need to do in order to participate in PulsePad and make some crazy returns on your investment, guys. That is all I'm gonna say, guys. That is all I wanted to give to you guys. This latest and greatest news that have just come out literally just a few minutes ago. I'm so excited. I cannot wait until the 8th of November. Mark your calendars. That's the day you're gonna make some crazy money. That's it for me. I hope you liked the content, and if you did, hit the like, hit the subscribe, and hit me up in the comments if you have any feedback, guys. That's it for me. I'm out. Peace. See you in the next video.